Welcome to design.rockdh. Today we will be learning about the Distort and Transform effects. First, let's draw a polygon with 11 sides using the Polygon tool. Then resize this shape and make multiple copies. Now select the polygon shape, go to Appearance, then FX, then Distort and Transform, and choose Free Distort. This effect is used to change corners and shapes freely. Moving on to the next tools, follow the same steps again. Select the Pucker and Bloat effect. First, use the Bloat option. This effect changes the shape, resembling a flower. Next, using the Pucker option, the effect is akin to a flower head. Now let's explore the Roughen effect. There are several options to adjust this effect, such as size, details, and points. Now let's explore the very useful Transform effect, which finds significant use in vector text and shape effects. This effect includes options like Scale, Move, Rotate, and Copies. The term copies refers to the number of shapes copied during scaling or moving. Next, we'll apply the Tweak effect to the shape, which alters the corners. There are various options available for this effect. Moving on to the Twist effect, it changes the corner angles. Additionally, the Zigzag effect alters corner sides randomly and roughly. So, finally, we have learned about all the Distort and Transform effects. Thank you for watching my video. For more tips and tutorials, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.